What's the deal, Blazing Gang? I'm back with another video. So I'm finna be showing y'all how to install the H3 buffer tube. This is my old build that I had, well, old lower. I'm finna put it in my new lower. So before we start the deal, firearms are clear. Oh yeah, this is for educational purposes only. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications. This is clear once, like I said. So first, what you want to do is press in the buffer tube weight and press down that little button right there. So you press that, it's gonna pop right out. I can't show you how to break down this. So boom, just. Alright, same thing with this, if I'm not mistaken. Find something to press this down with. And all you gotta do on this one is just press it down, it's gonna pop right out. So boom. So what you're gonna do, take this and install it. Boom. It's that simple. That's simple. Just press it in like that. Boom. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to hit that bell. Peace. I'm out. Shadow Blazing.